Hello everybody, this is the LEGO City Explorers Jungle Cargo Helicopter, and it has a helicopter, a little tiny exploration place, with a little dune buggy, and a piece of cargo. So first, let's go to the main building set, the cargo helicopter. This does have a few stickers. It has the Jaguar sticker on it, has that sticker, has the Jungle Cargo sticker on that side too, and you can see this hook, which is the main action feature. You spin this knob, the knob is on both sides, so you just spin the knob and goes out. So that is made to carry the cargo. There's the cargo. That is the whole cargo. Giant helicopter for a tiny piece of cargo. Yeah, sure. And so you're supposed to hook it up. You're supposed to swoop in, hook up the hook on this piece, then carry it away to wherever you need it to go. So also, helicopter has this canopy piece, which they use every single time. And there's a figure with a jumpsuit and one little control lever to control it. Here's the figure with the visors. You can lift them up. There's the face. It has a really nice printing. It has a kind of evil face. So you can see it has a flat suit. There's some back torso printing. And that character is made to fly the helicopter. That's the main role of this character, which you can use it for something else, but in the set, that's the role for it. And now on to the next thing. I'm going to keep the cargo here. The little dune buggy. Little. So, and comes with a little sword, which he can put in his hand. And a really nice way to attach that with these little hooks. These little handles that are used for every buggy. He's bald underneath this hat, if you didn't know that. And this, you can see one stud there. It's made to carry the cargo. That's another way to transport it. Or another reason of the set is to take the top of the cargo. This is another thing you can do with it. Put it on the buggy at the seat, and then do the same idea as the cargo. Just lift it up with the crane. Wait a minute, let me do that. There's the floating dune buggy, carried by the helicopter. And here's the happy bearded figure with printing on the front and back too. Really nice printing. No printing on the legs though. And now for the final thing of this set. Ruins. There's there's kind of an action feature, but you have to do it manually. So what you do is there's this leaf, and you pretend the figure is walking by and look at the leaves. You place that, and then find a golden cup. My ball spot. And then it's not going to be that easy because you also have to watch out for. Okay, he's scared of spiders, so I'm removing the spider. No spider. So then he takes the cup off this one spotted piece, and then that's what the cargo is for. So let me just put that back on, or lift it up. Nothing inside it yet. So what you do is just put the cup into there. Lid on, ready to transport the cup, either by helicopter or buggy. And don't forget the spider. And that's pretty much the review of this set. And where'd the man go? I don't know. He must have been really scared of that spider. But here's his hat. He left it. He must have ran away so fast. Okay, see you next time. Bye.